Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everybody's doing alright. I got some pretty exciting news this week. I'll share a little bit with you as we go along. But one of the coolest things I saw was, after all this time, an advertisement for a swap meet. And so I'm pretty stoked about that. Coming up here in next month, about a month from now, in one of the cities nearby here, they're going to actually have a small, but it's going to be a real swap meet. Automotive. I hope it's packed out. I went ahead and reserved a spot because I want to sell some junk. Why? Because I'm trying to turn that 50 bucks. If you guys remember back at the beginning of the year, we made that challenge. $50, make it grow in 2021. I'll put a little link up here if you guys missed that video. You can click on that and watch it and see the challenge, then come back and finish this one. But the idea of it was, take 50 bucks, start buying some stuff, selling, turning, flipping, and seeing what you can come up with. I'll show you some of the stuff that I picked up this month. Here's something pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see some seats. I don't have much in those, and the seat belts. They're out of like a bus, a small bus, well, we call it a Surrey. It's the small kind of DV bus, you know. But I picked up some of those, and I actually put a set in my Jeep. Those were the ones that came out of my Jeep, and you can tell a difference in size as to why I did it. Those were pretty comfortable, but man, they were huge, and I just didn't like them. And so I put one set in my Jeep, and hey, if you guys kind of like the looks of those would work really good in something like a Model A, where you don't have a lot of room, when you only have about 40 inches maybe across between the doors. Some little seats like that would work real well. If you're interested in a pair of those, I'm willing to ship, so I'll sell them pretty cheap. And I don't have much in them, and I bought a few sets. I've got some more on the way. Make a deal and get rid of some of those. But that's the kind of wheeling and dealing we're doing as we're trying to make a few bucks here. Update time. Let's give you an update on how my $50 investment's going. First, a couple of caveats. I realized as I was going along through this that, one, if I got something for free and I sold it, I'm going to claim that in my $50 because why not, right? I'm making the rules. The other one was if I got some money that was just a bonus as part of a deal or whatever, and a bonus in there, I'm going to include that like it was free. So with that, let's go over here to the bench. Let's see how I've been doing. All right, I got my list here of, on the back of the waffle box of how I've done this so far this year. I started off with my 50 bucks, and the first thing I bought was a set of wheel spacers. They were for my Jeep, and they didn't fit, and that was fine. The $50 was a great deal on them, and so when they didn't fit, I just relisted them on Facebook Marketplace. I sold them for 85 bucks. The next thing I got a tire carrier, spare tire carrier, for free. And I probably owe my brother a few bucks for this because he gave it to me. It was off of a Jeep Cherokee, and I wanted to adapt it to put it on my CJ5. But man, no matter how I worked that thing, and no matter how I tried to imagine it would fit on there, if I had to cut it up or anything, it wouldn't work. It was too big. It got in the way of everything, and it didn't fit. It didn't fit. It wasn't for it. And I would have had to mangle it up too much to make it adapt. So I thought, what the heck, I'll see if somebody will buy it. I put it on Facebook Marketplace. Apparently those are a hot commodity because within a matter of minutes I had it sold. The guy paid me $100 for it. $100. So if my brother's watching this video, I owe you. We'll have to even up. Another thing I did is on the side I've been looking for tires for my Jeep. The ones on it were good. They held air and they had tread left on them. But I wanted some really some gnarly, knobby mud tires. And so I'll put a little picture on of what I found, of what we found for that Jeep. They were pretty good. And in fact, I think I got a great deal on them. They were used, but I paid 160 bucks for 5 tires. And so I thought that was really good. And I call that just money I was going to spend otherwise, so that went into the Jeep. But bonus money came when I listed my old tires on the Craigslist. Apparently, again, another hot commodity. I got 80 bucks for my old tires. So we do a little bit of math, add some things up here. My wheel spacers, my tire carrier, my tires, what I've put out and what I've got back in. I've got myself a 265 bucks this year. So my 50 has turned into 265, and I'm on the hunt now for something good to invest that in. so that I can turn it and flip it for some more. Hopefully some people buy some seats. Again, I don't have much in those. I'm not counting them yet because I haven't sold any yet. And yeah, we'll see where the rest goes. Hey, if you guys want to see more about how we do business and make some money and support this hobby, or if you just want to see more of this hobby, just do me a favor. Click on one of the videos that's going to show up on your screen here in a second and hit the subscribe button. I sure appreciate you guys having around. Make sure you put down in the comments of what you guys are doing and how your 50 bucks is going this year. All right, I look forward to hearing from you.